Hi everyone, welcome to today's video on the symptoms of schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder that makes it hard to think clearly, feel emotions, and relate to others.
These are the 5 signs that can help you identify if you or someone you know has schizophrenia.
The first sign is hearing voices. People with schizophrenia may hear voices that talk to them or about them. The voices may be friendly or mean, loud or quiet, inside or outside their head. The voices may tell them what to do or make them feel bad.
The second sign is having false beliefs. People with schizophrenia may believe things that are not true or make no sense. For example, they may think that someone is trying to harm them, that they have special powers, or that they are someone else. These false beliefs are called delusions and they are very hard to change.
The third sign is having trouble thinking. People with schizophrenia may have trouble organizing their thoughts and speaking clearly. They may jump from one topic to another, say things that don't make sense, or make up words that have no meaning. They may also have trouble paying attention, remembering things, or solving problems.
The fourth sign is acting strangely. People with schizophrenia may behave in ways that are unusual or abnormal. They may repeat certain movements over and over, sit still for a long time, or show no emotion on their face. They may also dress oddly, neglect their hygiene, or avoid other people.
The fifth sign is losing interest in life. People with schizophrenia may lose their motivation, enjoyment, and social skills. They may stop doing things they used to like, such as hobbies, sports, or work. They may also withdraw from their friends and family and prefer to be alone.
If you think you have schizophrenia or know someone who does, please seek professional help as soon as possible.
For more information, you can contact us at mindandhealth.innovations@gmail.com. You can also join us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The links are provided in the comments section. This video is brought to you by Mind and Health Innovations MAHI, your friend for mental wellness and support.